chicken and corn noodle.
The perfect toasty.
Got all of our gear. That's how you get a fire going, mate. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Got Grace and Winston going camping for the weekend. Just made it to Cobram. The track's pretty wet. As you can see, there's heaps of puddles. Just on our way to our spot. Got heaps planned. We're gonna go fishing, chuck in some crayfish nets, hopefully catch some crayfish. And then yeah, hopefully get on some Murray cod or anything. So I'll see you when we're at the spot, but let's get into it. Killer. Here we are. This is home for the next few nights. Unreal spot. I didn't actually think there'd be people here though, but that's all right. All right, I think I'm gonna get the rooftop set up, get everything set up, and then we've got a mate coming up with the boat, so we're gonna wait for him, and then we'll head out and put some crane nets in. Got to keep an eye on this little bugger though. He's never been camping before. Hey! A fish? Yep. Nice. There we go. We're all set up. Everything's good to go. There's a little bit of mold inside the rooftop tent. Grace gave it a clean. She got in there already.
Stuff flew out of your mouth then.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go for a walk in the bush, try and find some sticks. I don't have a chainsaw, my mate's bringing one up with him, so I'll go try and find some stuff to get it going, and then when he gets here, we'll go out and get some bigger stuff. Coming for a walk?
Yep.
Oh, bring the dog for a walk. Right, first trip done. Just trying to get the fire going, but the timber's very wet from all the rain, so it might be a bit difficult, but once we get this going, we're having tacos tonight for dinner. Gonna cook that on the fire in the camp oven. So we're just gonna wait for this to get going. Right, I'm gonna cut up all the onions, get all the taco stuff ready, and when that fire's cranking, we're gonna chuck it on there. Yeah, boy. I got 1 kilo of mince for 3 of us. The 500 grams was $6.50 and this was $9, so I thought, why not? Got the lid to the camp oven. That'll all get mixed around there. Alright, we're gonna brown them up and then we're gonna chuck the mince on top. Got the cheese ready, onion, tomato. Gonna bring the mince over with the taco mix and get cooking in the fire over there. Let's get into it. This should get going very quickly. There we go. We can do a Righto, gonna add me taco mix. Going straight in. Ooh, yeah, boy. Love that shit. We've got 2 packs of this. Get that over there on fire. Second pack. That.
Watch out, Wayne.
Onto that. Rightio. Bang. Let's tuck in. Rightio, got me wrap. Got the taco, the mince. Bit of lettuce. Oh, the salsa sauce. Bit of cheese. That's gonna be shit for you. Bit of onion. And bit of tomato. Bang. There it is. There's dinner. Oh my god. I love tacos. Gonna head to bed now, wake up nice and early and hopefully catch some yellow belly. Got that shrimp net in, so hopefully there's some shrimp in there to use for bait. But yeah, see you nice and early in the morning. Peace out. Whoa. Good morning, guys. Just got the fire going. I'm gonna get one of the best camp meals ready. A toasty in this bad boy. Yeah, mate. Butter in, spread all that around. Three bits of cheese. Bang. And bang. That will make one a very good toasty. Alright, let's see if we've burnt this. Oh my god. Look at that. Fluffy. Cheese. Oh my god. Oh, are you kidding me? Look at that. It's a perfect toasty. Bit of sauce. In the middle. Close them together. Rub, rub, rub. Dude. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. Right, I've just pulled out the shrimp net. There was no shrimps in there, so I'm moving. I'm gonna chuck it in here. Chuck it in all these snags here, and hopefully we can get a heap of shrimp. Let's see how we go here. Oh, someone else has got that shrimp right here. That's a good spot. We need. Yeah, mate.
Just trying to get the food. Just fucking kibble in it.
What you doing, mate? We're just getting the cray nets ready, then we're going to put the boat in the water, chuck these in, have a bit of a fish, and then hopefully catch some crays. Slight problem. The battery's flat in the boat, so we're not actually going to go out in the boat. But we're going to walk the banks, still throw the rods in, try to find a spot to chuck this cray net. And hopefully we can still get something, but yeah. Spewing. That's right. Huh? Righto, my mates just head off. Now I'm going to go find a spot to put this cray net and maybe chuck my rod in, see if I can catch something. I've just got worms for bait, so yellow belly like worms or even carp or anything. I don't really care as long as I catch something. I'm gonna head off now, try and find a spot to put that cray net. Got all of our gear, we're off. Good boy. Oh, I think Winston wants to go down there. All right. Oh, what a spot. Unreal. I just found probably the best spot for crays. Have a look at this. Nice deep water. Weedy, snaggy. Let's go. Just gonna get my rod ready. Got a worm for bait. Boom. That, and it's still gonna kick around like a maniac. That is gonna catch me a fish. Guaranteed. So there we go. Not too far. Bang. Time check is 12:30. So we'll check those cray nets in about 2 hours or so. And in the meantime, hopefully this rod goes off. Hopefully get a yellow belly. I'm gonna keep it and we're gonna cook that up. So fingers crossed we can get one of them, because that would be an unreal cook up. Yellow belly straight on the campfire. Boom. There's bites. It's been an hour since I chucked that in. I'm gonna check it now, then I'm gonna head back to camp, cook up some lunch, because I am starving. So let's see if there's any crays in this net. Nope. Nothing. Alright, so obviously got no fish then, just lost my rig, but that's alright, got more worms, so I'm gonna go back, cook up some lunch. We just got some 2-minute noodles, so I'll smack them down, and then I'll head to another spot and throw the rod back in, I think. And yeah, then in a couple of hours I'll come and check that cray net. Hopefully there's a cray in there, we can cook that up tonight. I'll see you when we're back at camp. Chicken and corn noodles, nice and easy. Bang. And we're boiling. Oh my goodness. Hot as fuck. I need to cool down a bit. Just on our way to check that cray net. Got Winston with us again. Oi, come on, mate. I had to bring a shovel. Got a code brown situation. Love shitting in the bush. So does Winston. Look. Good boy. What are the chances of that? Oh, I love it. Wish me luck. Winnie, I'm all good now, mate. You ripper. Now we'll go check out this cray net. Right. Nothing. So obviously there wasn't one in there. Gonna leave it in overnight, come back in the morning, and hopefully there's one in there. We can cook it up for breakfast. I really want to try one. They look good. They look weird. They're not the big nippers. So hopefully we can get one. Just heading off, try and find some firewood. I don't need too much. We've still got a bit there, but just don't want to run out later and then be freezing cold. So go for a bit of a walk, try and find something. That's the stuff. That and that. I have to do a couple of trips. Yeah, boy. Where do you want the fire? Right here? Gonna get this fire going and then start cooking up dinner. We're having steaks tonight. Steaks with chips. Let's get this fire going. Cheating.
There you go, thumbs up.
You see that shit? That's how you get a fire going, mate. Alright, it's time to start getting dinner ready. Got the potatoes. I'm going to cut them up thinly. Have thin cut chips and steak. Got the fire going. Got a nice coal base. Gonna use the camp oven. Let's go. Push the fire over. Get some coals here. Don't want any flames. It's too hot. Oh my god. I just didn't turn my camera on and got a carp and started cooking. Let me give you a little recap on what just happened. So I started cooking, put the potatoes on the fire, saw that my rod was facing this way and it was now facing that way. So I ran down there. There was a carp on there. So I caught a carp, but didn't get any of it on film. This is where we're at with the potatoes. Right, these are done. Just gonna scoop them all out and then we'll cook our steaks. These are the steaks we got, just a couple of porterhouse with garlic butter. Here we go. Steaks are ready. Dinner is served. Now it's not my best cook up, but it's alright. It tastes good. It's got me steak. It's pretty well cooked. Me potatoes. A bit of salt on them actually. Bit of chipotle mayo. And there you go.
Fat alert.
Fat alert. The best bit of the steak.
Yeah.
We're gonna sit by the fire the rest of the night, have a few beers. So I'll see you nice and early in the morning. Gonna pack up, go check that crate out one last time. Hopefully there's a crate to cook up for breakfast, but I'll see you in the morning. Peace. Good morning. Winston and I are on our way to go check the crane net. Hopefully there's a crane there for breakfast. Look how foggy it is this morning. And it is cold. It's like 3 degrees. Got about a couple hundred metre walk to the crane net. See you when we get there. Alright. Fingers crossed there's a cray. Come on, give us a cray. Nope. No cray for breakfast, but spewing about that. Just remembered I also had the shrimp net in, so we'll head over and check that. If there is some shrimp, might have a fish for half an hour or so before we leave. Surely there's some shrimp in here. Left it in overnight. What the hell? There's one tiny one. Alright, there was nothing in the shrimp net. The It's probably the bait we're using. We just had leftover mince. Put that in there with some dog food. Then in our cray net, we just had dog food, soap, and some leftover mince as well. Apparently tuna's to go, so next time. Alright guys, everything's all packed up, ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we got one there and we can